Hey. Better. Oh, and look at those three toes. Yes, stretch those three toes out. Yes, come on, stretch them out. Yes. Oh, the pretty girl. Look at you. Yes. The neighbors just wore you out, yeah, for all 10 minutes that you were on display. Yeah.
Around the globe, the people of
Silly
Bowen are working
girl.
together for what matters most.
That's why we're here.
Look at you, you silly girl.
For all day relief from itching, dry skin, try new cortisone
Hey.
10 intensive healing.
Hey.
The strongest interleaf
Pretty
medicine now has
girl.
3 vitamins and 7 moisturizers. You'll love the feeling of non-stop healing. New cortisone 10 intensive
Yes, the
healing.
background
Feel
works
the
great
heal.
on you.
If other weight loss products have you yo-yoing, get Dexatrim Max 2O. Add to water and go. 6 key vitamins and 3 metabolizers clinically proven to block hunger. Stop struggling. Lose weight safely with the power of Dexatrim Max 2O.
We use Comcast targeted advertising because we just want to be effective in our core market, which is right here in San Francisco and northern San Mateo County. As long as we can service our local customers,
Your hand looks so
that's the
big
most important
compared to
thing to
her.
us. Since we started advertising,